Hey YouTubers, today we're going to install the Honda Factory Performance Alpha style bumper flare on a 10th gen Civic. I already started by cleaning off the front bumper. I'm just going to do the left side today. I'll give you a little instructional. You're going to want to clean off the bumper. If you're not really sure where to clean, just clean the whole thing like I did, or you can dry fit the Alpha flare to the fender and tape around the areas that you'd like to clean. Just make sure it's got a good fit. Everything seems to be flush when you put it up there. So let's get started. So I went ahead and taped the backs. The painter's got a little bit of paint on the back side, so I had to scrape off some of that with just a razor blade. And then I took an alcohol swab and swabbed all the sides that I was taping on just to get a good seal. And I pulled back the tape ends here like so. That way when you've mounted it up there and put the bolts in, you can just grab those tape ends and pull them straight out as you apply pressure to the edges to get it to seal up real nice. So it was a pretty easy install. It would have took a little less time if I didn't have to scrape the paint off the back side. Other than that, all the seals sealed up really nice. The fit is really good. There is an extra hole on the bottom here if you would like to drill into the bottom of your bumper. They do come with some extra screws that you can just plug in another screw down there to give you a little bit more support if you'd like. I picked these up from Ikon Motorsports. Great quality. They did the paint. Give them an A+. So check them out. Thank you for watching.